Well, I'm going to get some cobbing done this morning. You know the drill. First thing, I got to sift some of this dirt. I already got my post hole digger and loosened a bunch of it up. Now I got to sift some for my cob. Now I need to add some sand into that, so I moved over here. And I just added a few handfuls of straw on the top. So I've mentioned this little section in my other videos. This is where I first started and I was practicing. So when you're making cob, a lot of people put the cob down on a board and make a mix till they get something that seems right. Well, I wanted to do it on the wall so I could see what would stick up here the best. It was kind of a mess. It was my first, cracks at doing it. And then, as I went along, it got a little smoother, a little better. But I still have to go over things usually. And this will be covered with the lime plaster in the end, but I'll get this smoothed out better, of course. But yeah, I recommend that you try, some different mixes, because depending on the consistency of your soil where you live, you may need to add more clay or straw or sand or whatever. So you just, mix them up. You can either do it on a board on the ground, or like I said, for me, I did it on the wall, but just find what works best with your soil. This poor little guy must have fell in my bucket. He hadn't been in there long. He was swimming for dear life when I came over here. So I'm going to let him relax a little bit. He's on my clay slip bucket. So I'm going to let him rest and see if he takes off. I think he'll be okay. Now I'm going to mix these while they're dry, and then I'll add my water, and I'm ready to go. It's real easy to get this too soupy, so you just want to add a little water at a time. The drier you can make it, the less it will crack, because as it dries, it contracts, of course, and you get cracks in your cob. And it's not a big deal, you can fix them, but I need a little bit wetter mix for it to stick on my pallet. So you just add a little water at a time and mix it up. So, I got a little more done today. If I just keep doing that every day, I'll get her done. Well, I hope that helped. Just wanted to show you how I mixed my cob and how I'm putting it on these walls. It's getting very windy today. It's not going to be as hot, I don't think. Well, it'd be 95. I wanted to tell you guys, I went on the Amazon deals and found a solar generator, 2,000 watt. I got one for $400, a little less. And then I got 600 watts of solar panels. That's just what I could afford. You're supposed to get 800, but I can back it up with my generator. At least I won't be spending $100 a week for gas, right? So that'll be great. I will love having the solar cool my space for me. So as always, I appreciate you guys being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Oh, I wanted to tell you, sometimes you'll ask me if I have an Amazon wish list or how you could donate to the project or something or another. So I saw that buy me a coffee. Now that's a good one. I would be so happy to graciously accept a cup of coffee from you. So you'll find that link on my homepage. And it's about all I got today. I probably have to go inside and do some housework because I've been outside quite a bit. I'm working on the rest of my soffits. So, yep, I should be getting the sealant here any day. And I'll be back to that. Anyway, there I go rambling. I appreciate you guys so much. And I will see you soon.